Hi, and welcome to Cinema 100. I'm Robert Locker, and I will be your professor this semester. The art of cinema is really about the language of movies. How do movies make us laugh? How do they make us cry? How do they stay with us for long periods of time and make us think things that we hadn't thought before? How do they entertain us? In this course, you'll learn a lot of concepts and a lot of terms, and then turn around and use those concepts and terms to describe what you see on the screen and what you hear and how it worked or didn't quite work for you in the movie. This course may make bad movies unbearable and good movies great, or something in between. But anyway, it should be a fun process of learning about movies and how they work, how directors do their jobs, how visuals affect us, how music and sound effects affect the movie, and how the story unfolds before our eyes and ears. If you have any questions, please use the discussion board Q&A to post them so everyone can benefit from your questions. Or you can always directly contact me via email or the inbox feature on Canvas. I'll be sending out another video how to introduce you to the course specifically so you can get through the semester and get a really good grade. I look forward to a great semester with all of you. Thank you so much, and more on this in the near future.